Hi, I'm here to show you how you can make your own DIY disinfecting wipes with using just simple products that you already own at home. This is very helpful to help you when stores are out of stock on certain products that you're looking for, such as wipes.
So we are going to be making a DIY disinfecting sanitizing wipe using just household products that you already have. Take a roll of paper towel and cut it in half, or you can just do like what I did. I cut it to the size of the container that I have. Then mix 1 cup of water with about half a teaspoon of bleach. Then stick your paper towel in an airtight container. I used whatever I had on hand. Pour the solution over your paper towel. You're going to need at least 1.5 cup to 2 cups of solution for this recipe. Now here's the fun part, taking out the center of the roll and pulling it out of the paper towel. These dispense just like disinfecting wipes do. So take some of your disinfectant wipes and rub it over your countertop. And you may want to leave it for 5 minutes so it completely disinfects the surface. And here's another bonus little neat trick. If you have any rubbing alcohol that's 70%, just screw on a little squirt bottle top and then just use it as a squirt bottle to disinfect your surfaces.
Another neat trick that you can do too is put some of the wipes inside in a little Ziploc bag and keep it with you. So when you have to touch something, a surface out in public, just take one out, wipe the surface down, then you know that it's sanitized and you're safe. I hope the information in this video is helpful. Why don't you click the like button below, and please share this video with all your friends who may need this information. Also, subscribe to my channel and learn more about safety tips and practical self-defense skills in order to stay safe. So, be safe out there and walk in peace.